Okay, so Bed Bath Beyond. I know you probably want to know what I think about it. I just put out so many videos on it, saying how bullish I am, how I think there will be earnings, and now it's down like 40% or so. I think it was at the most. Anyways, I think definitely this is a buy on dip. This was an overreaction. This is a really great company long term. As I research more and more, it's just obviously a great company to invest into long term. It's down 9% today, just because they didn't beat basically, and so you can see I've already read the article, but let's just read it because you probably haven't read it yet. So yes, it is down, and yes, I know a lot of people probably hating me for this, but honestly, long term investment really good. Now, if it did go up probably 20% or so, it probably would have. If it beat, well, then of course I would probably swing trade it and sell all my shares. But since it didn't, I'm just okay to hold it long term. My cost basis will be amazing. It can have a possible dividend in 2023 or so. So Bev had Beyond reported fiscal third quarter sales decline of 5%, which it said was largely due to the sale of non-core assets like Cost Plus, World Market, and ongoing store closures. So obviously, they're setting up themselves great for the long term. And so, since they made this decision, it reflected in the short term. That is why it's down. That's what I see. And I just see this as like a dumb thing. I think maybe it could still go down. Probably it'll go down more tomorrow. People are going to start probably shorting it rather than investing to it. More people are going to sell out of it. People are going to have weak hands. But honestly, not me. And I probably will end up buying more shares. I don't know for sure if I'll buy more shares, but I know I'm holding on to this and not selling it. Why would I? Total same store sales rose 2%, climbing for the second consecutive quarter. Digital sales soared 77% from a year earlier as Americans stayed home during the pandemic and purchased more bedding, home organization, cooking gear, and cleaning supplies. Fiscal fourth quarter sales are expected to be lower than a year earlier by a double digit percentage. So what I see the management being smart, setting themselves up really good long term, but it will reflect in short term things. Short term like the stock price, like I think this company is still super duper intriguing. They have a PEG ratio below one, like that. That is amazing. They have a lot of sweat equity into this company. Management is amazing. I just still think Bed Bath& Beyond is a buy. If you want to know what I think, buy on the dip. If you don't have a position yet, if you do have a position, hold it. And if you want to, buy on the dip. That's just my opinion. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I have an incentive for the share price to go up, though, as I am investing to it. But I'm not going to do that. The share price probably won't go up. Yeah, you see, like it just went down more. So, anyways, think this company will have eventually a short squeeze. No company that is turning around this much in a great way is going to stay short for that long period of time. And I just see it as a great turnaround play, in my opinion. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.